It's time to start planting, which is a little bit difficult right now since we have to self-isolate and quarantine. The garden stores are considered necessary places, so I went over there to look and see what I could find. My patio had snow on it and it was miserable. I went to the Camelot Gardens and did a greenhouse tour, looked around at everything to see what I might want. And oh my goodness, it was so hard to choose. Baskets and hanging plants and colorful plants and food, which is kind of what I had in mind. I picked pansies for their color and because they're hardy and will probably hold up well when it's cold. I wanted lettuce because I love salad and herbs because I like to cook. So I picked out some really nice lettuce and some herbs and put it on my trolley. Went over to where the food seeds were and considered planting some food from seeds. But I think it would be easier to just do it from my little potted plants. Here's my trolley with all my things on it that I thought might really work for me. I also added some potting soil. I went out front and looked at a few things. Look at that pink flamingo. Wouldn't he be really cute on my patio with a basket full of flowers? Maybe those big yellow things? I don't know. Camelot Gardens has some really great stuff. So I'm considering, but I'm also on a budget. We are kind of tight for cash, all of us right now, so I didn't get the pink flamingo. I ordered the plants and left them there for a day while I went home to figure out what to do with them. And then I called with my credit card, went down there, and they brought the plants out to my car and put them in the back. I took them inside. And because it was a little bit chilly, I planted them in the kitchen on their little plastic dishes. But they got awfully thirsty, so I put them in the sink at night to water them, especially the tomatoes. When the weather got a little bit warmer and the forsythia was blooming nicely, I put some of the things outside, particularly the lettuce, the tomatoes, and the spinach. I thought I'd get a start on my food garden. Then it got cold. Then it got really cold. As a matter of fact, last night was like 11 degrees, so I brought in all my plants. And the lettuce is back there, and it's getting really pretty leafy. I think it's time to do something with the lettuce. So, I harvested some of the lettuce, and you can see a picture of my dinner. I did some salad greens with my lettuce and some of the spinach, and I added chicken and feta cheese. I'm a salad person. That was really quite good. As you can see, my geraniums have wintered inside. Here's a picture of my dining room. And you know, they bloomed there all winter long, which was just really great. This picture was taken in the fall, but they look even better than this in the spring. So it's time to take them out. They've been leaning toward the window, and leaning toward the window, they went out. Last year, this is how it looked when I put them outside. I repotted a lot of them because they got pretty leafy. And here's a picture of how it kind of looked after I put a lot of the plants outside. You can see the geraniums are in there and some of the other ones. Look at them all blooming. They're very happy. This was last summer. Here comes the ultimate goal. One of the best parts of this is my cocktail basket. So I bring out my book and my cheese and grapes and my wine and a bottle of water, and I have my little cocktail hour right there on my patio.